So you want to put an Mtech one? Oh God, dude, FedEx, man, it's so loud. Hey guys, it's Anthony from Garagistic, and we're here to talk about a really important topic today. Right here I have an E30 on my right and an E30 on my left, and we're gonna talk about some things that we can do to kind of upgrade our looks here. Maybe you wanna go Mtech 1, maybe you wanna go Mtech 2, maybe you want some Euro bumpers, maybe you want some late model stuff, maybe you need a lip, maybe you needed an M3 wing. Today we're gonna talk about what you need to do to go ahead and add some body kits onto your E30. So here we have an early model E30. Early model E30s were produced from 1982 to 1987. Here we have an early model fitted with a Euro bumper, so it's really slim compared to the American versions that come way out, or referred to as diving boards. And this early model also has our Garagistic Mtech 1 kit. Just so you guys know, the Mtech 1 kit only works with the Euro model bumpers. A couple other things to note on early model E30s are things like the taillights. Early model E30s have chrome bumpers in the rear as well, but the biggest distinction is gonna be the taillights. The taillights are tinier than late models, and then you're gonna have this vertical stripe down this way. This is vertical? Yeah, this is vertical. That's vertical. So that's kind of the easiest way to tell, and especially if you have an early model that's been converted to late model, this is the dead giveaway. Because the late model taillights are so big, there's no way you can change them, the housings won't fit. So that's how you know you have an early model E30. So we have to talk about the model year 1988. For whatever reason that year, BMW decided to take things from the early model and the late model and kind of throw them together. So you might get an early model with some late night. Oh God, I said late night. Please keep this in. You might get an early model with some late year stuff, and you might get a late year model with some early model stuff. The verts especially are kind of weird too, because it's a big kind of mix mash, kit bash of a bunch of other stuff from the BMW catalog as well. So even with the 1988s, the big giveaway is still gonna be the taillights if it's an early model. Like we said, late model taillights are really big and the early model taillights are like really small. So you can't miss it. So if you have a late model E30, which was produced from 1988, which remember was kind of the weird year because they took early model stuff and late model stuff and kind of just like bashed them together, to 1994, you have a late model. Late models came with the plastic front bumpers and this lower front valence here. And the IS models obviously came with the IS lip, but here we have the RG lip equipped to the car. The other big difference that helps you tell between late model and early model, again, is the taillights. Let's go take a look. So you can tell back here with a late model, you have plastic rear bumpers as well as the elongated taillights. If you take a look, the gap between here and here is a lot smaller than it is on the early model. That's another big differentiation. If you have a true late model, the taillights are a lot bigger. And the other key thing is the horizontal reverse light. So these are the main differences between early model and late model. The horizontal taillights and the plastic rear bumper. So there's a couple other options that you have for early model vehicles. Most of the time, what people like to do is bumper conversions. It's when you want to take this E30 and make it look like this, the 88 from 92 body style. For bumper conversions, what you're gonna have to do is actually change almost everything. The front valence, the front bumper, the bumper supports. You're literally moving everything from this car to that car to get everything to work and to fit. If you like your late model, you got plenty of body kit options to work with. We got lips, we have our Mtech 2 kit, we have plastic straight bumpers, we have an E30 M3 rear wing, and our Mtech 2 kit comes fully complete with our front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper. You can rock products like our IS lip with our aluminum lip splitter. As you can see, it's actually two pieces. We have our IS lip separate right here from our actual aluminum lip. So you can rock cool things like this with the late model. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Just like imagine it like on the car though. Like this much higher, like from here to there, like on the car. Look at it. Just look at it. Have you ever wanted an E30 M3? Of course you have, that's why you're watching this video. So, here at Garagistic, we carry a couple of E30 M3 body kits featuring the front and rear bumper. So if you want those, you can go ahead and check the description down below. And while you're down there, you can go ahead and get an E30 M3 DTM style wing. But you know, either way, no matter what you do, you're gonna be rocking your car in style. So it doesn't matter what you need, whether you drive an early model or a late model, Garagistic's got you covered. All the links to our products will be down in our description, or you can visit our website at www.garagistic.com. Thanks for watching.